This is a fluorescent light. Came about 7 p.m. evening. Ninja run. Right. I have sweet turnip, lettuce, tomato, tofu, and all the hairy spaghetti. Like, it's a noodle actually. Okay. I always make another one. I forgot to mention eggs. I have eggs tonight. For many days or weeks, I never eaten any eggs. This is a square fluorescent light. It's LED. It's said to be the highest lumens, 2800, compared to about 1600 that you buy in the shop outside. So if you buy online, it's 2800. I need to take out all the photo frames. So this is how it looks like. In order for me to put this, I need to remove the old one because this is already burnt. And then after that, this will be at the back there. There's still enough room to put this inside on both ends. So I'm going to start doing this now. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. So the background is the light will shine and brightens the photo. So I'm using a very cheap A4 size paper. So if you have a photo paper, it will look better. I can put two, but I have to find a way to put two because once I put the other one on top, the other light, the wall screw cannot go in. This is a long strip of LEDs. I just opened up and see what's inside and it looks very hollow. See my hand is holding? This is where you will see the brightness. Beneath the LED track is actually a hollow tube. The only thing you find here is two wires, live and neutral. And what I'm going to do is drill a hole, two holes, because this tube is actually blocking the wall screw from going in. So I need to drill a hole to let the screw go through and into this tube. It's very beautiful inside here. Look at that. If I can have a mobile camera, I'll go all the way inside. It's like a tunnel. Beautiful tunnel. Oh, look at the effects. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I'm moving around just to show you how beautiful it is. Alright, so much for that. Let's get started. Moments ago, I accidentally took out the cover. The cover is quite soft. You see that? It is quite soft. So, and then I counted the number of LEDs. Total 96. And what can I say? You see? This thing you can actually remove and replace it with another strip if you buy the same tube, T5 tube. Because why? I'm going to drill a hole here, a big hole here. And I cannot be drilling the hole every time I replace a T5. So in future, all I just need to do is replace the LED strips. Yep, take it out and put it back in, and that's it. You can reuse the T5 tube. I don't really need the wire. Why? Because the wire is the extension if you're going to join another tube. Because I can just take out the wire. You don't need that. Okay, well, let's get started. I'm going to drill a hole and that's all. I think, it's a plastic. Yeah, use a knife to cut it. It'll be much more better, faster, efficient. Don't have to waste so much time doing it. Beautiful. and have installed this lamp on the top part. Then I need a screw to secure it. I need to wire up the top and the bottom together in parallel. Wow, beautiful. Absolutely bright using 2T5. Yeah, put it back. That's it. All done.